And welcome cavemen! Today I'm going to unbox my new toy, the Airpods Pro. After unboxing, I'm going to give you my honest review after 2 weeks of usage. Stay tuned! Out of the entire Apple ecosystem, I've never owned a pair of AirPods. The AirPods looks hideous to me, and it was never known for sound quality. So, why did I finally take the plunge on the AirPods Pro? 3 words: active noise cancellation. Out of all the true wireless earbuds out there, I have to say the AirPods Pro are your most portable option. The case for the AirPods Pro, though slightly larger than the original, is still very petite. You can keep it in the tiny jeans pocket that I have never found any use for it. All my other wireless earbuds have to be carried in my bag. Try putting them in your jeans pocket and you will attract the ladies' attention towards your family jewels. So, there is no excuse not to carry the AirPods. It is always in my pockets and I can use it to drown out the crowd during my lunch hours. The dark side of having such a small footprint is that my butter fingers fumble when I'm trying to extract the AirPods safely from the case to my ear canals. The journey is as perilous as a trip to Mordor.
Come on, Mr. Frodo. I can't carry it for you, but I can carry you!
Once or twice this week, some clumsy clerks will bump into me and I will drop a piece to the ground. You can see that they are very apologetic, as they can tell that this is some expensive shit. Which brings us to the next point: the price of owning the AirPods Pro. Off my mind, I cannot think of any true wireless earbuds that are more expensive than the AirPods Pro. The AirPods Pro is more expensive than its closest competitor, the Sony WF-SP700N, and also about 100 more than the second generation AirPods. All my other wireless earbuds tend to get disrupted by environmental magnetism. My music gets scrambled when I walk past the escalator of my local subway. Sometimes the Bluetooth lags and the music fast forward to catch up. Other times, one ear loses connection. The AirPods Pro in comparison has been perfect so far. The voice calls have been perfect. The person on the other line would not tell the difference. The transparency mode activates when you are making calls and it feels very natural rather than a loud voice in your brain. Let's not forget about Bluetooth latency. All my other earbuds suffer from latency and are pretty much unusable for games or movies. Let me show you the difference. noise cancelling. It is very good. The moment you put them on, it feels like you submerge yourself underwater. The world gets drowned out in tranquility. They are not as good as over-ear noise cancelling options though, but they are still better than my Sony WF-SP700N. I am a huge fan of active noise cancelling. You may have the best audio rig with amplifiers and expensive cans, but once you commute, you can hardly hear the quality with all the noise and chatter around you. You attempt to increase the volume to drown your surroundings, only to damage your eardrums. With the Airpods Pro, I can finally drown out the squabbling old ladies and constant chatter during commute. I don't experience the irritating air cabin pressure experienced like the other noise cancelling headphones that I own. Water resistance. The Airpods Pro is officially sweat and water resistant with an IP rating of IPX4. This means that you can wear it with confidence during your workouts, but you cannot go swimming with it. The previous gen AirPods never had any IP ratings, but people use it for workouts nonetheless without any issues. So this is just a mark of confidence, but not an important factor for determining your purchase. Design. Cosmetically, they are very ugly in my opinion. I thought that the Beats Pro was beautiful and sporty. The Sonys were executive looking. The Airpods Pro looked better than the previous gen AirPods with the shorter stems, but they still look like regular earbuds with the cables snip off. Netizens even say they look like the Pokemon Bellsprout. Otherwise, the Airpods Pro are very thoughtfully designed. In terms of comfort, they almost feel like you are wearing nothing at all. It even utilizes the internal microphones to test your ear tip fit. There are also air vents built to release air pressure, so you won't get the air cabin sensation like other in-ear earbuds. Pairing the Airpods Pro is magical like always. Just pop open and it's paired with all your Apple devices. So simple. In conclusion, the Airpods Pro is not the cheapest, it is not the best sounding, it does not have the strongest noise cancelling, but it just works. And it works smoothly. In tech, it is not always the product with the best specs that beats the competition. The best product is one that gives you the best user experience with the least attrition. Among my arsenal of headphones and earbuds, this is the one that I will reach out to carry for commuting and for workouts. And I hope you have enjoyed my short review of the Airpods Pro. If you have enjoyed my video, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.